We're at the crib of ddwili.
Kane.
We're gonna make music today.
We're just going in with a blank slate.
By 6 o'clock today,
We'll have some.
The boss. Yo, I'm chilling with the kid that barks, man. His name is Kane. The way that I rap sound, you think I'm the Godfather, like the shit in the background. Woo!
everybody want what I fucking have. They don't really know what it takes though. They don't really have that cake, bro. Look, I'm going the distance, I'm going for speed. All these motherfuckers can't keep up with me. Everybody wanna know how I bring the feeling. Look, it's not 1, 2, 3, it's not ABC. Shout out to Michael Jackson, but it's so crazy how you have to navigate the situation with your place.
Any final words?
Not unlike Gordon Willis, director of photography. We're all directing our own movies. You don't have to make change.
Appreciate that, brother.
I appreciate you too, man. Keep doing what you're doing. It was about time. I've been telling you I was gonna come.
Right, that's true, that's true.
Every time.
You know, I found that it's all time. You know what I mean? It's just click through it. Just click through it. You'll get there in time. I want you guys to have a great session. You know what I'm saying? For real. Like, enjoy. Like, for real, have fun, man.
Yeah, most definitely. Have fun. That's good advice. Let's go do that.
I got guns, hoes, money, drugs, cars, foes, you should know. 2 cell phones I've been serving. Never been fucked out of check, I'm a virgin.
So we're out here on Page Street at Page Street Sound Lab. You already know what it is. Laying something down today. I got nothing right now. When I walk out of here at 6 o'clock, we're gonna have a track. Let's hit it.
Quick question. Ass or titties?
Titties. But if there's no ass, what is it? It's like a C-stand, but without the C. Keeping it like heavy on the rock. I don't know if I sent you that like Jack White track.
I'm kind of thinking what we'll do is we'll get these set up, record just some drums to chop up, some guitar to chop up, and I'll sort of sequence everything and just see what we come up with.
Up to be flexing and rolling, but it's not a watch. Yeah, I've been shooting, but it's not a clock. And I stutter when I hit the shutter.
That would fit really well with that, with the
Like
style, but like still like rock.
You with him? So he brought me back to the band. I'm like 15. We're sitting there drinking, smoking. Halfway through the show, like the headliner was like, "You're gonna go take pictures?" And I was like, "Maybe." He's like, "Wait, aren't you the photographer?" I'm like, "No." I'm a photographer.
What you doing, Frankie?
I'm setting up some VCA groups. Yeah, you can kind of know what you're saying. So I can get between them. Oh, I see. Like if I'm on it, like you could serve it. Like throw a big chord in there. Let me just hear the second half there that has.
We gotta write a guitar part.
A little bit of rock and a little bit of stank.
I can't afford just with the name.
Yeah.
And like record scratching and shit, so just like.
And you can also throw some.
Yeah, we can track that later.
Yeah, and do some.
And just
weird
have the
shit.
like the bass line. Yeah.
And then also, cause I like how you have the. Cause you know how.
Watch my problem.
They said I gotta act right, but I don't really act right. Hop out the whip, look fly feeling good.
The drums sounded good, son.
Tone. Oh shit. Come on down to tonestoes.com. Right? Hop out the whip, look fly feeling good. Spark up a bowl, getting high how you should. Don't D-E, double F on the M-I-C. The fully, but it's not a watch. Yeah, I'm shooting out the window, but it's not a clock. Did I stutter when I hit the shutter? If I can pull a 7 in an 04, why would I buy some I can't afford? Just to stare at 10s with an 8-9.
That's enough to like ponder over. Session 1 done.
They said I gotta act right, but I don't really act right.
Great, but
Yeah,
we'll just see where it lands.
Let's make it happen, man. Good to see you, brother. Always for everything.
You
Day
did.
1 is done. I'm stoked to see what came out of that session. It's new and it's old and it's fucking tone.